ever had étouffée pizza? Either have I. But we're gonna try it right now. Why not? Hello, I've already prepared these beautiful shrimp from Louisiana and all the étouffée seasoning and what goes in étouffée. And I'm just thinking, why not have an étouffée pizza? And I'm doing it on the grill. That's another thing. Because it's summertime and whatnot, right? So I've already, if you want to come down here, Marina, I've already stretched out my pizza dough, put it in here. I put a little bit of oil on the bottom of the pan. Cast iron pan is your best friend. Obviously, that's what you want to use on a grill. And I've already stretched it out. It's gonna be a thin crusted pizza. So here we go. I'm gonna put just a little bit of tomato sauce on the bottom of this. And you might want to go in here, Marina, just a little bit. My beautiful camera person today. So I got the tomato sauce on there, and what I've done is I pulled in a little bit of that étouffée seasoning, like the peppers and the tomatoes, and a little bit of the roux, because as we know, étouffée has a little bit of roux. Now what you got to do is look up the recipe, probably on my website, and just look up an étouffée recipe, follow the instructions for that, and listen, I'm just trying this out for the first time too, so have at it. Put that on there first. I want to cook my pizza dough just a little bit ahead of time, just a little bit first, and then I'm going to come in with the par-cooked shrimp on there, okay? Because I don't want my shrimp to overcook. That's the thing that people do with seafood, as we know it, is they overcook it in an instant, and it can happen in an instant, okay? So I par-cooked it a little bit, but I don't want to put it on right away. I want to let my pizza dough cook, and it's a medium-high heat. I'm going to put the lid on it, and I'm not going to look for another 5 minutes. Okay, the time has come that we're going to put the étouffée on the pizza. Look at this crust. Once again, check it out. Whoa, it's beautiful, right? So that tells me I am ready, because I don't want my shrimp to overcook, and they're par-cooked, and this étouffée is going to go all over this amazing pizza crust. I'm trying to spread out all these beautiful shrimp from Anna Marie Shrimp. Okay. And that's it. And I'm going to close it, put this in a little bit further, let that get heated up to medium high again, and I think I'm ready to open for the étouffée pizza. Go right in here, Marina. Oh my gosh. Looky, 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 looky. Oh, that's hot on the hand. Make sure you have oven mitts. Look at this. It's an étouffée pizza. Never did it before. And hey, why not is what it's all about. You get some shrimp, just go for it. Try new seafood recipes, and étouffée pizza is exactly, thinking outside the box. The whole family's gonna love this. Look at this. Look at this crust. Look at this crust right here. It's perfect, and it's still cooking. So I'm gonna lift my spatula up just a little bit. So until later, gonna bring you some more easy seafood recipes.
Étouffée Pizza. Y'all come back now.